Welcome to We Talk DevOps, brought to you by IT Outposts. We will explore how companies can succeed in the digital era by implementing DevOps, without complex jargon, to give you a clear and accessible understanding of these processes. I'm Alex, your host, and my voice is powered by 11 Labs. Recently, we've already touched on the reason why MLOps is important for AI projects. This reason is data scientists and LLM engineers who often find themselves burdened with deployment tasks that pull them away from their main creative work. Today, let's expand on this topic and look at more situations where MLOps experts are key for AI-driven projects. Frequent deployments. If you don't deploy your AI models too often, the absence of a specialized MLOps expert might not impact your operations that much. But if you deploy frequently, MLOps will let you significantly reduce time and human effort. After all, just like DevOps, MLOps is all about automation and will ensure faster and more reliable model updates. Complex process integration. When your AI model gets tied into a bunch of ongoing processes, that's another scenario when MLOps is helpful. Unlike regular software that usually keeps its values static after it's launched, AI models deal with dynamic values. These models self-learn and can tweak different parameters as everything happens in real time. So you have to somehow manage these interconnected systems so that changes in one area don't negatively impact others. Cloud resource management. Managing AI models in the cloud can be trickier and costlier as they continuously process and generate data. So it's pretty much guaranteed that the amount of data will explode. This means you'll require more cloud resources, which drives up storage costs. In this case, you'll want a cloud setup that's customized specifically for AI models. Gateway to broader DevOps practices. Interestingly, MLOps services often serve as an entry point for broader DevOps practices within an organization. When you're getting started with MLOps, you might not have all the classic DevOps practices in place, like a CI/CD pipeline, multiple environments like dev, staging, and production, or infrastructure as code IAC. But once you bring MLOps on board, it usually helps demonstrate the entire DevOps value. Your MLOps experts can identify and address challenges that are common across their IT infrastructure, not just in AI projects. Sure, you can definitely manage and roll out AI models without MLOps, but that can end up being pretty inefficient and make you miss out on some great opportunities. MLOps could totally be what sets the big players apart from everyone else. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us. I was glad to share the latest news and ideas about DevOps with you. If you want to learn more about how to enhance DevOps practices in your business, be sure to check out the additional information in the description of this episode. Add We Talk DevOps to your favorites to not miss our future releases. And remember, every little automation brings us closer to greater achievements. This is Alex, and you've been listening to We Talk DevOps. See you soon.